In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a test email in Klaviyo using the latest editor. We'll walk through this process inside a campaign you've already created. So first, make sure you're in your Klaviyo account and you've opened the campaign you want to test. Once you're there, look for the option that takes you into the email editor. This might appear as Continue to Design if you're setting up the campaign for the first time, or Edit Content if you're coming back to make changes. Go ahead and click that so the email builder opens up. When the editor loads, take a moment to quickly scan your layout, text, and images, just so you know everything looks roughly how you want it before sending any tests. Now, to start the testing process, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Preview and Test. This is where you control both on-screen previews and test sends. Click that button. A panel will open, giving you a couple of useful options. The first one is Preview as a Profile. This lets you see how your email will look for a specific subscriber in your list. It's especially helpful if you're using dynamic content, like first names, recommended products, or conditional blocks. You can choose a profile and confirm that all your personalization tags are pulling in correctly, rather than showing something like a placeholder or broken variable. But if your goal is to actually receive the email in your inbox, you'll want to use the Send Test option in this same area. Select Send Test, and Klaviyo will show a field labeled Send To. Here is where you type the email address you want the test to go to. This can be your own address, a teammate's, or a shared testing inbox. Just make sure it's one you can check right away so you can quickly review how the email appears in a real email client. After entering the email address, confirm everything looks correct and then click the Send Test button. Klaviyo will process that request and send the test email out, usually within a few seconds. Head over to your inbox, refresh it, and look for the message. This is your chance to verify subject lines, preview text, links, images, and overall formatting on desktop and mobile. If you spot anything that needs fixing, simply return to the editor, make your adjustments, and repeat the same preview and test and send test steps until you're happy with the final result.